I'm gonna show you guys how to install these on a Beadlock wheel. If you're gonna install some rims by yourself, these things are like the easiest thing to put on by yourself. Pretty much have it on the ground. You have this right here. The manufacturer puts it on the wheel. You wanna line this up with your valve stem. Just lay it in. You're gonna get your rim and your tire, put it on one of these buckets. So basically what you're trying to do is you want the rim to sit on there. You want to be able to push it down. That way it's not working against you. So basically what we did, once we got it installed, as you can see, the outer lip of the rim, that's where the edge of the tire has to run all the way around. Make sure it's on the outer lip of the rim. Once you got that squared away, get your bead. It's gonna sit on lip of the tire. Double check your bead, make sure it's even all the way around. We already got our valve stem lined up with our marking right there. We're gonna put one bolt at 12, 6, 3, and 9. We're gonna tighten these all the way down. I'm gonna use one of these to make it a little easier. I'm not gonna torque them down yet, just get them seated. Get them seated, just start it right now, and then we're gonna go ahead and put in the rest of them. All right, we got them all in. I'm gonna zip these down. I'm not gonna torque them down. I'm not gonna go heavy on it. I'm just gonna tighten them all down. That way it's a faster process. The final torque specs are gonna be 15 pounds. That's what System 3, that's what they recommend. So we're gonna go ahead and torque these all down, the star pattern, get these all done. All right, we got the bead already seated on the rim. Got a nice tight seal. We're gonna check for leaks. These rims already come with the valve stem already installed, so you don't gotta worry about buying a new valve stem. So it's pretty much, you buy the rims, you buy your tires, slap them on, seat the bead, and you're ready to go.